Hello everyone. So in this video, I'm going to be talking about how Genius loyalty program on booking.com works and how you can use it to get discounts. So this is going to be the only video you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, let's get to understand what Genius booking.com's loyalty program is. It is simply a loyalty program that booking.com has brought in order for you to go ahead and get some discounts and many more other features. So for example, let me just show you. So there are three levels to this booking.com's Genius loyalty program. On Genius level 1, you get 10% discount on stays, 10% discounts on select rental cars, right? And on Genius level 2, you get 10 to 15% discount on stays, 10 to 15% discount on select rental cars, free breakfast and select stays, free room upgrades on select stays. And on Genius level 3, you get up to 20% discount on stays, up to 15% on rental cars, free breakfast on select stays, free room upgrade on select stays, and priority support on all stays. So in order for you to go ahead and level up, all you need to do is start booking already, and that is about it. So as you can see, this is the level 1 right now. In order for you to go ahead and progress to level 2, you need to complete 5 bookings within 2 years to unlock level 2 discounts and rewards. Every booking counts. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.